Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make a macro, and I'm really proud of them, but it's not working for them, and I kind of know the reason, but I'm going to try to figure it out. So if we go to tools and scripts, and yours might say macros, and start recording, and we're going to call it uh, symbol. So just SY for symbols, and I'm going to hit OK, and then they go to text and GIFs, or yours might say, and they're going to pull up the A. They use this all the time. They use that, and they use the registered trademark. If I can't find it real quick. Arial has the registered trademark and the @. And, well, come on. You know, it doesn't matter how long your macro is, it's going to still work. I just can't believe it's not like right there. There it is. So they use these two symbols a lot. And then they go to tools and scripts and stop recording. And then when they delete this, they go to tools, scripts or macros, scripts. The one you just recorded would be under global macros, recorded macros. And there it is right there. We double click and it just writes text twice because that's what it is. So let's delete this and let's delete this macro and let's try it a different way. So before we record, let's go to text, GIFs, glyphs, or whatever you want to call it. There's the R. Funny that it's on top, closer to the top now. And, well, not really closer to the top, just because I was using it. And the @. Let's say they use these two a lot. Well, let's do this. Let's go to File and Save As. You can save it wherever you want to save it, and let's call them, let's just call it SYM and say OK. Now, let's delete this. We haven't recorded a macro yet. So we're going to go to Tools, Scripts or Macros, Start Recording, and we'll call it that SYM. We'll say OK. We'll go to File. We'll go to Open. Well, if we use Open, it's going to open a new sheet, and they want to use it on the same sheet. So let's import it and go back to Pictures and type in SYM Corel and say Import. And then just click your mouse, okay? And now let's go to Tools, Scripts, and Stop Recording. So let's say you're working on a project, and let's say this is the project right there, just something I had open, and you need the @. Well, let's see if this works. Go to Tools, Scripts, Macros, Scripts, and double click on that. And it brought that in. So that's not that much faster. But if we go right here to this macro and right click and align it a keyboard stroke, and there's a recorded macro I just did, I'm going to type in alternate S, and see it's already assigned to something. And Control S is already assigned to save. And I'm just trying to, we have the @ on the keyboard. Well, that's Shift F2. Let's put it, well, okay. Shift 2 is going to be our new macro. And then you got to say, okay. So let's take this away. Let's actually move these. And I could have had them come to the center of the page. Now I'm just going to go to Shift 2 and it brought up those two registered trademark and the @ sign. So instead of opening it and saving it, so if we open a new, if we put it under open, it would start a new page. Since we did import, it's going to put us on our work. So if you're doing a lot of, let's just get rid of this, and you open a new file, and let's, I don't even know if I have any. Well, let's just do it right here. So we've opened up this, whatever this is, but I need that @ sign. I'm going to shift 2. And look at that. They're right there. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.